ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया
चक्षुर्मिलितं येन
तस्मै
श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतये श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी नितिनामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्य चतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य
चैतन्य
प्रभु
प्रभु
नित्यानंद श्री
नित्यानंद
अद्वैत
श्री
गदाधर
अद्वैत गदाधर
शिवासादि गौर
श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद
हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा
हरे
हरे कृष्णा
राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे
हरे
हरे
राम
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
Very good. So let's start with our verses. So we all say it together. Is there anyone new?
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. What's your name?
My name is Krishnanena. I'm from Michigan, and I heard Padmasaki Mataji is one of the teachers. So we seen the call on this call on Facebook. So I wanted to join. So we asked Padmasaki Mataji if I can join. So she said okay. So I joined.
Okay, so wonderful to have you. Welcome to Govinda Group. Do you know these verses? Or do you know? Okay, good. So shall we all say this together?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Let's all go in sync, okay? No, not very fast, not very slow. And then I'll give you all chance to go one by one also. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
तेषां शतयुक्तानां
प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयन्ति ते.
Mataji, could I see translation?
Who is that? Keshavi? Yeah, I will give you a translation, okay? Who all want to go and read this?
Ramachandra wants to say.
Ramachandra, I can see Harini has raised her hand. Samskruti also has raised her hand. Okay. So Ramachandra, Harini and Samskruti, you three can go together in sync, okay?
Okay. तेषां शतयुक्तानां
ददामि
Kriti's voice is breaking up.
Yeah.
प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगम्.
Oh, okay. What happened, Samskruti? You were saying it, right?
Yes, Mataji, I was saying.
Did you say it? Okay, fully? Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
Can Jagannath go?
Okay, Jagannath, Mukund can go. Jagannath can go. Anybody else wants to go? Krishna Nayana, right? Yes, and Dina Krishna. Yes, all you 4 of you can go. Go ahead. 3, 2, 1.
तेषां शतयुक्तानां यतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयन्ति ते.
Very good. Thank
हरे
you.
कृष्ण माताजी.
Hare Krishna. So, who wants to read it? Okay, anyone else wants to say? No?
Hi, Mataji.
Anyone else also wants to say the verse?
My name is Krishna.
Sri Krishna, you want to say?
Yes, Mataji.
Anybody else?
Prathamesh, Mataji.
Prathamesh, okay. Nandini also wants to say, right?
Mataji, I say without looking.
Okay. So, Sri Krishna and Prathamesh, you also can say it without looking at it?
Mataji, I can say without looking.
You should repeat.
Mataji, I'm not really.
That's fine. Then I will keep it. It's fine. Yes, you can look at it, and others can look around and say it. Okay, if you want. So Nandini, Prathamesh,
Yes.
and Shri Krishna can go ahead, please. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Thank you. Raya Prahlad has raised his hand. You want to say, right, Raya Prahlad? Anyone else?
Mataji, I want to say the sloka.
Yes, that's Raya Prahlad, right? Yes, 1 minute. Let's see if anyone else also wants to say. Otherwise, you can go ahead. Anyone else wants to say?
Krishna.
Okay, Krishna and Raya Prahlad can go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Thank you. Okay, is everyone done? Anyone else? Did I miss anyone?
No, Mataji.
Okay, so Keshavi, can you go ahead and read the translation for everyone?
Yes, Mataji. To those who are constantly devoted and worship me with love, I give the understanding by which they can come to me. Thank you. Mataji.
Can anyone explain this to me? Ramachandra? Yeah.
So the people who always keep on remembering Lord Krishna and worship him with love, he gives the knowledge so they can come back to Golok Vrindavan.
He gives understanding, right? He gives them knowledge, he reveals, he helps, right?
Yeah.
But we have to be constantly devoted and worship with love. So let's go to the next verse. Yeah, shall we all say it together?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, is there anyone who does not know this verse? Who needs practice? It's fine if there is possibility that it is new to some kids. It's fine. Do you all know this? Who?
I almost know it, Mataji.
Who's that?
Krishna Naina.
Krishna Naina, yes. Do you know this verse?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, little bit. Then what we can do, I will say and then you all repeat once and then we will go one by one, okay? So please repeat. Tesham evanukampartham aham ajnanajam tavaha आश्रयाम्यात्म भावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. You okay, Krishna Naina? Yes.
Mataji. Tesham evanukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nasayamatma bhavasto jnanadipena bhasvataha.
Yes, very good. So now who all want to go on read? Okay. Mukund has raised, Mukund, Raya, Prahlad and Samskruti. You all can raise your hands in the chat or participants list. Okay, then I'll give you one by one. Mukund, Raya, Prahlad and Samskruti. You three can go. 3, 2, 1.
Teshamevanukampartham aham ajnanajam tamaha nashayama ajnanajam tamaha nashayami atmasto bhavasvata.
Okay, all three of you said it right?
Yes.
Okay, so now
Yes, Mataji.
who is Vasavi Charlotte? What is the name of the child, like kid?
Mataji, it's me. It's Harini.
Oh, Harini. Okay,
uh,
yeah, Harini.
Uh,
Harini, Ramachandra, and Prathamesh. You three can go. 3, 2, 1.
Teshamevanukampatam ahamagyanajam tamaha nasayamya atmabhavasto janadipene basvata.
Okay, very good. Did you all three of you say it? Ramachandra, Prathamesh.
No,
I could hear. I only heard Harini. Did you say it, Ramachandra?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Mataji,
Prathamesh, did you say it or you want to say it again? Did you say it, Prathamesh, with them?
Mataji, I
Got disconnected?
Mataji.
Okay, so now Pranav, Keshavi, and Prathamesh, you three can go. 3, 2, 1.
Tesham evanukampatam agamagyanajam tamaham nanasham atmakavisto nanadipena bhasvataha.
Very good. Thank you. So now next is Nandini. 1 second. Who else has raised hand? I cannot scroll down. Okay, Nandini and Akshita. Come here. Anyone else wants to say? Okay, I think only both of them. Yes, Balvrunda, yeah, go ahead.
Who wants to say?
What is this sloka?
Tesham, this one. Do you know this, right, Balvrunda?
Yes, Mataji. Tesham.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Very good. Thank you, Balabrinda. So now Rishikesh, Akshita, and who else wanted to go?
Nandini.
Nandini. Yes, three of you go ahead. 3, 2, 1.
Teshamevanukampartam agamagyanajam tamaha nasayamyatmabhavasto nanadipena bhasvata.
Very good. Who wants to read the translation? Who did not say the verse can read the translation. Karthik, you want to read? Go ahead. Or I thought you raising the hand or what? No? Okay. Rishikesh, did you say the verse?
Yes, I said the word.
Oh, okay. Anyone else wants to read? Otherwise, Rishikesh, you go ahead.
To show them special mercy, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance.
Yes. Can you explain it to me in short? Anyone can?
Krishna will destroy the ignorance what you have.
Yes, correct.
He showers
Special mercy. Yes.
and he dwells in their hearts, giving them the knowledge which will break the ignorance.
Yes, correct. So thank you. Now we will move to the story. We're learning about Damodar Leela, right? What we learned this week? Avyakta and Vyakta, right? Krishna, Avyakta means the whole material energy. When it is manifested, that's called Avyakta. When it is
not manifested.
When it is not manifested, it's Avyakta, and when it is manifested, it's Vyakta. So he's everywhere, right? He's in the fire, water, land, sky, everywhere. Trees, mind, intelligence, soul. He's everywhere, right? So simply you have to make your eyes how to see him. That is required. How we can see him? How we can see Krishna? He's everywhere. Do you see him? He's everywhere. Do you see him actually?
No.
How can we see him? How
he is Vyakta, but he is Avyakta to us.
With the love and devotion, we can see him, right?
Yes,
And
Mataji.
with the mercy of pure devotees. So we have to surrender to pure devotees of Krishna also, right? Surrender to our spiritual master, surrender to Krishna, and then we'll be able to see him with their mercy. And what is the example? There is one example of given to know clearly about Vyakta and Avyakta. So the cosmic manifestation is Vyakta. When it is not manifested, it's Avyakta. So like a house. So house is made of 5 elements, right? Earth, water, ether, air, fire. So water and earth and water is there, but it is not manifested as the house, right? So that is Avyakta. When it manifests, it's Vyakta. Right? Avyakta means the whole material energy. When it is not manifested, it's called Avyakta. And when it is manifested, it's Vyakta. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes. Then we saw how Krishna is all pervading. Right? We saw this Monday. So he's everywhere, right? Krishna pervades all time and space. He has no beginning or end. Do you know, like, was there anyone before Krishna? Do you know?
No.
No beginning, no end, no exterior or interior, no front or rear. He's beyond sense perception. We cannot see him with our material senses, right? Adhokshaja. But Mother Yashoda always considered him as her child. So although Krishna is all pervading, we can think, right, how then Mother Yashoda will be able to bind him? It's not possible. But because of her love, she was able to bind him. Who binds up with the ropes of Maya, everyone from Brahma to the blade of grass. In other words, she tried to tie up with her cords of strong prema, love, the all-pervading Lord of all. Actually, Krishna himself binds up with the ropes of Maya, right? He binds up everyone with the ropes of Maya, from Brahma to the blade of grass. Everyone is bound with the Maya. And who is doing that? Krishna. It's all pervading. But who is binding Krishna here? Mother Yashoda. Yes. So how Krishna is controlled by pure devotees, right? Then we saw how it is a responsibility of parents to train the child. Mother Yashoda is also thinking it is my responsibility to correct Krishna, so that she was trying to bind him. Then she was thinking that he is my son. I am responsible. If he is behaving good or bad, I'll be responsible. So he should learn a lesson here. So she's trying to bind and train him. So we also know, right? Our parents also try to train us, right? They try to correct us. Do they do that?
Yes.
Yes. But do you like it when they do that?
Please no.
No.
No. No, kids don't like it nowadays. They don't like. They think that they know everything, right? Am I wrong?
I like it.
Is anyone saying something?
Kids do think like
Mataji,
Yes, Keshavi, is that you?
Mataji, I actually like it.
Who said that?
Hi.
Shavi said that.
Very nice. Yeah. That's good. Yes, because why do they do that? We should know that, right?
For our own good.
Because they love, because of their love. Like Mother Yashoda, their parents also want kids not to go anywhere wrong. So they are trying to train their kids. So Mother Yashoda was trying to bind Krishna, but how always the rope was short, right? How much short it was always?
Inches.
Only
Two
two.
fingers.
Fingers, always. How much ever she tried, she got so many ropes, but it was always 2 fingers short, always, constantly. Can you believe that? Always it was this much short. And what are those 2 fingers? Okay, so here before that we saw one of the potencies of Krishna. What is that? Vibhuta. Vibhu means big. So it appeared in Krishna's waist, that energy, it appeared. And so it started to become big. And Mother Yashoda did not even realize that. She couldn't even see that. So because of that energy of Krishna, what is that energy or potency? Vibhuta. Vibhu means big. And his belly started to become big. And that's why Mother Yashoda could not bind him. And what are those two fingers?
Endeavor
That
and
show
mercy.
our endeavor and Krishna's
Mercy.
Mercy.
these two
Krishna's
things are so
mercy.
important to to make a progress in our journey, right? These two things very important. We need our endeavor, also then Krishna's mercy. You show your endeavor, Krishna will show mercy, right? And we saw the examples, Hanuman, Brajavasis, Mataji explained yesterday, right? So what happened in the story so far? When Mother Yashoda was trying to bind Krishna, how he got angry. And then who he started to call for help?
Rohini and Balaram.
Rohini, Mata.
Yes,
Rohini, Mata, and
yes,
Balaram.
he started to call them, right? Rohini, where are you? Where have you gone? Balaram, because you're not here, Mother Yashoda is trying to bind me up. Please come quickly. But they were not there. They had gone to Upananda's home, right, to attend the program. But if Mother Rohini would have been there, the situation may not have been the same, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it would have been the same? Can you imagine if Mother Rohini was there? Do you think this all would have happened?
She would have stopped Mother Yashoda from binding Krishna.
Yes, she would have come. So she
Yes,
would most likely have intervened to normalize the situation. Krishna knew that. So he was, although he knew she is not there, Balram is not there, he was calling them out. Then by hearing that, who came? The gopis came.
The elder gopis.
Yes, they came there, who had already scolded him many times because he was doing a lot of mischievous things. And they started to laugh and thought, oh, now Krishna has done something in his own house. And that's why Mother Yashoda is scolding. So gopis thought today Kanha must have done something very mischievous in his house. He usually comes to our house to steal butter. When we come to complain, Mother Yashoda always refuses to accept that Krishna would steal butter from other houses. She would think, why he would go there? I already have so much butter in my house. Why would he go? So she never believed them. But today Krishna has done something naughty at his house, causing his mother great anger. So Mother Yashoda remembered all this when they all said that before how she did not believe, and now she herself is in the same situation as gopis where she is chastising Krishna. Right? Then what happened? Mother Yashoda was trying very hard to bind Krishna, right? For a long time. Then gopis started to plead because Krishna was so restless, uneasy, and crying so much, calling out names. So they felt a little bad for Krishna and they pleaded, oh Yashoda, please release this boy. Consider him punished already. Already he has got his punishment. He ran so much, now he's crying so much. Already it's punishment for him. Why are you doing this? What great offense has he committed? He's a child. Children do this, right? They do all these mischievous, naughty things. So why are you so angry? Leave him. So this is how we know, right? This motherly gopis always had lots of unconditional love for Krishna. Even before, they already had complained about Krishna that he's stealing butter, he's doing this, that. But they always had lots of love for Krishna, right? They wanted him to come actually, but still they would complain because actually these pastimes of Krishna gave them immense pleasure, and it made them very happy. They always wished that Krishna was their son. They always wished that Krishna was their own son. It was their inner ambition. So when you remember when Lord Brahma, he took away all the cowherd boys and his friends and calves. So that time, how Krishna fulfilled the desires of these gopis.
Because the gopis always wanted Lord Krishna as their sons.
Hmm.
When Brahma took the covered calves, and
Yes.
so he manifested as them and became their own son and calves.
Krishna knew it because Krishna is in everybody. Krishna knew that their inner ambition, so he fulfilled it. So Krishna expanded himself as a cowherd boys and calves, and he became their own son for 1 year, right? So they enhanced their special love for Krishna by embracing him and feeding him, and Krishna tasted their breast milk to be just like a nectarian beverage. While thus bewildering Brahma, he enjoyed the special transcendental pleasure created between all the mothers and himself. The mothers took care of the boys by massaging them with oil, bathing them, smearing their bodies with sandalwood pulp, decorating them with ornaments, chanting protective mantras. They were so happy to have Krishna as their own son. The love grew more and more and more for them, for Krishna. I mean, although they did not know that it's Krishna, but in that 1 year, the love kept on growing for their own sons. And Krishna, how he fulfilled their desires. So this again shows how Krishna is all pervading, right? He can manifest himself in so many ways. So the gopis are pleading Yashoda, right? But she did not care this time. She became, in fact, more determined to bind Krishna. Gopis are laughing. Oh, just see, you can never bind him. There must be some secret to bind this boy. It appears that destiny is protecting him. So gopis were also actually making fun. They were laughing and saying all these things. And then all the ropes Mother Yashoda got. First, she got the rope which she was using for churning the butter. Then she got so many ropes from her home. And then the neighborhood gopis also got some more ropes for her. They all said, like, okay, take all these ropes and bind your son. Let's see how you bind him. So Mother Yashoda was trying very hard. She got more and more determined, right? She said, what are you talking about? Do you think I cannot bind this small boy? She was not giving up at all. I will try all day and use all ropes in my house to see how big his belly is. So gopis were laughing along with Mother Yashoda was also actually laughing when all this happening. And then
She was laughing in her own heart.
She
was laughing in her heart.
Yes. So Mother Yashoda said to them, he was born at wrong time. Thus he does not know what is good from bad. But I think you have been put under a spell, since internally you are prejudiced against him, but externally you show.
Auntie,
Yes,
I have a question.
your voice is breaking.
I think in the picture it shows Balaram.
What is that?
I think in the picture it shows Balaram.
There is Balaram.
Yeah, that's right.
But actually Balaram was not there, right?
Yeah, he was with Mother Yohini.
Yes, that's okay, but this is the picture I got. Okay, so here Mother Yashoda is talking to gopis. She's actually chastising them. She's saying, you are put under a spell. You are influenced by Krishna because internally you are influenced by something, because internally you are prejudiced against him, internally you are thinking against Krishna, like, and externally you are showing something different. Because gopis were also complaining about Krishna, right, before. So here, do you think that if there was any other member of the family like Nanda Baba or Mother Rohini present at that time, the scenario would have been different?
Yes.
Yes, we already discussed that, right? Then at home, we also do that, right? So whom do you run for help when mom is really, really angry? What do you do?
Father.
Father, okay. If both are angry, what do you do? Anyone has any of such experience that mother is angry and
Brother, I guess. Brother, I guess.
Brother, okay, brother protects you. Sister,
Father.
yes.
What if they're both?
Anyone has such experience?
What?
Grandma.
The room.
Friends. Friends?
Friends, okay.
To the room.
To the room, okay.
The room, yeah, the room will just trap you there. And your
And
mom can just
walk
when
you.
you're outside the door holding something to punish you or hit you or whatever.
Yes. And yes,
That happened to me
You can also go to Krishna, right? To the altar
one time.
and ask for forgiveness. If your mom is really angry because of some reason, because you have done something, you can go to altar, go to Krishna and
Mataji,
pray.
one time my sister got angry on me and then she started to throw things at me. So I ran in front of the altar and she got scared that she might hit the DTs or like that. So she didn't throw anything.
So you took help of Krishna, right?
Krishna saves you.
So we all do that, like how Krishna was doing. He was also asking for help. Right? So this is all for today. Thank you all for listening so patiently. Now we will have a cooking class, right? I think it's already time.
Cooking class?
Yes. Do you all have a cooking ready? Is Mataji there? Let me see.
I'm gonna do later.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Is Mataji there? I'm checking actually. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm also seeing that only Mataji.
Oh yeah, she's there. Okay. So
Karthik and
thank
okay.
you all. Vancha kalpatarubhyo.
कृपा सिंधु पतितानां भावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। कृष्ण माताजी, थैंक यू माताजी।
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की
Jai. Thank you.
Mataji
Thank you
ki
all so
jai.
much.
Thank you Mataji.
थैंक यू माताजी।
थैंक यू
Mataji, why I'm not able to spot? Yeah, I got it.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Can you see me, right?
Yes.
माताजी।
Yeah. Are you ready to make Panchamrita? Today we are making Panchamrita. I think Mataji have sent you ingredients, right? Did you see those?
Mataji, I'm going to put it in a chat.
Yeah.
All the ingredients are here in the chat. You can check it. Mataji also will tell you once.
Yeah.
Of
I can
yogurt,
tell you. Yeah, we need milk, yogurt, sugar, honey, and ghee.
The water does not.
Why do we need a paper towel?
Melted ghee, honey 1 teaspoon.
Mataji, why do we need the paper towel?
You know what is Panchamrita means?
I think it's like that drink that they put like in the temple most of the time.
Yeah, it is like a Pancha means 5, right?
Yeah.
And Amrita means like nectar. So we use like 5 nectars, which we make like yummy prasadam with that. See, I just kept everything ready. Milk, sugar, yogurt, ghee, and honey.
Just honey.
When you all are ready, we'll start how to make it, okay?
माताजी,
Yes.
Is that honey?
Hey,
Mataji, how much milk?
We need 1 cup milk.
Mataji, is there ghee and honey those are the last two?
Ghee and honey, what is that?
Is that it?
Yeah, we have to use even those.
Sugar.
We'll be using like,
It says 1 tablespoon.
yeah. We are adding honey also, right? So
Yeah.
1 tablespoon.
Only ghee is 2 tablespoons and milk in 1 cup.
Yeah, little melted. So if you're all ready, I'll just take one more bowl. We need 1 mixing bowl, okay?
Just put everything into the bowl.
Yeah.
Just put everything into the bowl.
Shall we all start?
Mataji.
Okay, yeah. See, I'm just adding milk, 1 cup milk. And how much is the...
Mataji, Balavrinda is making. Balavrinda is making. See, Mataji,
Balavrinda.
I
Yeah.
already mixed my milk and everything. My drink is already ready. I'm also making Jagannath.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So first take the other bigger bowl. You take first take milk, okay? We just started doing how to do. So just take milk. Whoever not yet started, we can start. Then we'll take 2 tablespoons yogurt. Just add it in the milk.
Mataji, 2 tablespoons of yogurt.
Yes.
Mataji, and the ingredients? Oh yeah, 2 tablespoons.
Yeah. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. We'll mix everything at last, okay? I'm just adding everything right now.
Mataji, can you repeat what you added again?
Yeah, I added 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Thank you, Mataji.
Did you add it? Next, I'm taking honey.
Mataji, can you repeat the direction from the sugar?
Yeah, sugar 1 tablespoon. Okay. It is little sticky, right? You can just use the other spoon.
Just use another light.
And one more last one is ghee. We are using 2 tablespoons.
Honey?
Honey is 1 tablespoon. And ghee I'm using 2 tablespoons. Just adding everything, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and this is my second spoon of ghee. I already added 1 spoon and this is my second spoon. Okay. Did everyone get all the ingredients? Do you want me to repeat it again?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. So this is what I just added everything and try to mix it everything. Try to mix till the sugar is little melted, okay? And we took like yogurt should also mix, honey, ghee.
Everything should mix.
Yeah. It will take like couple minutes sugar to melt it, okay? Just try to mix it. I just took like, still sugar is there. It should little melt. I'm just mixing little more, okay? See, almost everything is mixed. If it is like yogurt or ghee, if you feel little hard, just try to hold your bowl and try to press the side bowl so that it will mix everything.
Mataji, Balavinda made it. Look, Mataji.
Oh, very nice, Vrinda. Everything is mixed.
Mataji, Jagannath.
Nice, Vrinda.
I already put it in the cup. Now I'm offering it to Krishna.
Okay, very nice.
Mataji,
Thank you for making it.
done.
Who else want to show?
Jagannath.
Jagannath. Yes, Jagannath. Oh, very nice. You can take the offering bowl and then just transfer this into the offering bowl.
Okay, Mataji.
Keshari also made.
Shavi's yogurt.
Very nice, Keshavi. Good job.
Thank you, Mataji.
You're welcome. Still anybody want to show? It will look in this way. See, it mixed everything. You want to show, Harini? Okay.
Okay.
Nice mixing, Keshavi. Oh, you're done? Okay. Jagannath is offering also to Laddu Gopal. I like the way you're mixing, Keshavi.
Thank you, Mataji.
You're welcome. If anybody want to make it later, you can do it, okay?
Okay. Okay, Mataji.
So this is easy prasadam and it's very yummy also. You can make whenever you want and offer it to Lord, okay?
Mataji, I made mine Panchamrita and I put it for offering.
Thank you, Mukund.
And Mataji, we didn't have honey in our house, so we put jaggery.
Yeah, that is also fine. Thank you. Still anybody want to show? It's very simple, okay? You can make whenever you want. Whenever you get time at home, you can make it, okay?
Yes,
Mataji,
Yes.
can I show you?
Yes, Subhadra. Nice mixing, Subhadra. How much more time we have? Mataji, I think everybody are almost done. I think so, right?
Yeah, Mataji.
Yeah.
We'll close the call, Mataji.
Yeah. Subhadra, you want to show it?
Yes, Mataji.
You're done? Nice. Very nice. Did you add everything? All ingredients?
Mataji.
Okay.
And I
One
started it.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, this is honey. Can I show mine?
Yes, Harinisha. Thank you, Subhadra, for showing. Yes, Harini, I can see you.
Yeah, is there anybody? Oh, Harini want to show. Okay.
Yeah. Nice, Harini. I think everything is sugar and everything is melted, right?
Yeah. Yes, Mataji.
Good job.
Subhadra, you are offering Haribol. We can see that. Thank you, Subhadra.
Nice altar.
Mataji, I'm offering.
Yes, Subhadra.
Yes, we can
Mataji.
see that.
Thank you for showing your altar.
Into the offering. All the honey inside here.
Your voice is not too loud. You need to speak loud.
I was just wanting to show Jagannath and Sri Krishna already started doing.
Oh, nice.
With these kids cooking classes, while making only they will eat Mataji. That's why I won't give her anything.
You like it, Dina Krishna?
Yes.
Is it yummy? You know that this makes very strong your mind and also health. This prasadam you should eat regularly.
This was my favorite prasadam when I was child. You know, whenever mom used to make this, we used to run for it. Who is gonna get more?
Yeah, our moms used to make very regularly. We are not making that much, but yeah.
Only for the festivals we make, na Mataji, now with Gaur Purnima and all. We bath Krishna with this Panchamrita, so we make that day.
Yes, yeah.
Now even in
Used to be there, but yes, Mataji, go ahead.
In Ayurveda, now they're recommending they have to drink milk with ghee and honey in the night. See?
Our elders already said before only. Now we are using it again.
Correct.
Yeah, Mataji, Hare Krishna. Actually, I make every day this Panchamita because I have to give the shower to my Giriraj. So Giriraj and Shobhadra, they take the prasadam every day.
Oh, very nice, Mataji. Nice, very inspiring.
Thank you, Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji, for sharing that.
Mataji, we eat it every day, Mataji.
Oh, you like it?
You are very lucky, Subhadra. You get every day to do
I like it.
You like it? Nice.
It's every day, Mataji.
So from now you help your mom. Okay? Every day you can make.
Yes, Mataji.
She is very good helper. She is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
She looks very responsible also. When we see in the call also, you can see very nicely she sits organized and like, you know, she's very responsible and very good girl. We can see that.
Very good.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So nice.
Really like it. There's all Mataji, especially Radhika Mataji, inspiring us. Nice, like, you know, without flame, you cooking, helping. And this Shubhadra last week, I think Shitapiti Mataji was showing how to make the butter. And I didn't have the ingredients this time. And Shubhadra was crying. She wanted to make it.
Oh.
So
She can make this week, Mataji. If she have and whenever she wants, she can post it, Mataji. It's not
Okay,
like
Mataji.
one week she can do. She
Okay.
can do anytime and post it if she likes it.
Okay, Mataji, thank you.
Thank you so much for inspiring them, Mataji, all the time. Vinita Mataji, I think so. Everybody are done.
Yeah, we'll close, Mataji. Thank you so much, Radhika Mataji, for offer food to Krishna. What
Subhadra
happened?
want to say something.
Subhadra, tell me.
Mataji, I made this with my mom.
Wow, so cute. Is it for your Laddu Gopal?
No, it's a Nitago dress, Mataji.
Oh, nice, Mataji.
Yeah.
Very nice. You're learning many things from your mom, only doing so many things. You take one-time class and teach kids also, Mataji. You are
Right,
interested.
Mataji. And I also show you how to make the Tulasi garland. I can teach them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know
Yeah,
how to make it.
Mataji.
It's so
Yeah, we
easy.
can do it.
It's so easy.
It's so easy. See, so if you're making, every kid will also feel like that. We'll ask your mom to show sometime, okay?
You can make a video and send us how you are making it. So all kids will learn. Vrinda will learn. All kids will learn.
Mataji, next time make a video and you can send in the group, Mataji, when Subhadra is making.
I will.
Okay, Subhadra, you can make video and send in the group.
Yes, Mataji.
That will be very inspiring for all the kids, so they can also do the videos and share with us. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, thank you kids for making it very nicely, Panchamrit, and offering it to Krishna. Krishna will be very happy with all of you. I would like to offer my obeisances to all of you on the call. Vancha kalpatarobhyasya kripasindhu.
Kripasindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Radhika Mataji. Jai.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji.